Hi, today I'm for the Nokia C32 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app and in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open, click yes I agree, be close and tap to OK. And now we get information about battery temperature. In my case that's 36 and 2 degrees. And also I got here more info like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.